namin kung bakit, but you're always here for all the important events, sa lahat ng partnerships mo, and of course the movies that you do, no? But we all know, of course, that you're exposed to so many skincare products all around the world, di ba? And yet, ang dala mo pa rin whenever you go, mapa-Europe, mapa-America, is SCD. What makes it different from everything else that you've seen around the world? And how proud are you whenever you go out of the Philippines, as people would ask you what your skincare routine is, and masasabi mo, Pilipino yung brand na dala mo?
I remember when Miss Gracie and I were talking, she told me herself na siya mismo ang sumusubok every time na every time they have it made, yung product. It's her, ano ba yung formula ingredients? Naging pagkain. It's her formulation talaga. And she said that ilang beses niya yan ito-test before she releases the product. And so more than anything, it's basically trust. Trust is number one talaga when using a brand. And so, I've always believed in Miss Gracie kasi na hindi naman siya maglalabas ng isang produkto na that she can't vouch for. And so ever since then, I was like, oh, now I trust Miss Gracie and I will use it. And then I fell in love with the products. So I think more than anything, it's the trust. And pag subok mo na, parang ayaw mo na if perfect na for you, you don't want to try something else. You know that feeling? Kasi nakakatakot because your skin talaga is something that you will carry your whole life. So yeah, that for me is the most important. It's trust.
And also the part where you bring Filipino brand.
It's very important to me, especially now. Actually, I have this extra love for Filipino brands. I just finished filming this movie, Guilty Pleasure, and our director is Connie Bacatino, who's very she would like to showcase Filipino brands and Filipino clothes designs. So, but I want to bring that even more. And SCD is one for sure, because it's a Filipino brand, and I would like to share it to my friends who are living abroad, and hopefully I would love them to try it.
And another one of the things that sets you apart in terms of beauty sa industry natin is of course your color. Diba? You never really want to, do whitening and all of that, but you've been able to maintain such a beautiful kayumanggi na complexion. How does that work in sa SCD routine?
Actually, I'm very grateful because you know what they always say na parang we always have these beliefs that you have to be a certain skin color. But what I love about SCD is the fact that they took me in and considered me as family, as someone who believes in just making yourself feel beautiful through. It doesn't have to be technically about skin color only. So that's what I'm really most happy about, is because it's like you can be beautiful whatever color you are, and all you have to do is just do your best to nourish your skin. Make sure that you're at your best. So that's what I love about it.
Thank you, Lovie, and again, congratulations. And to you po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Yan, mamaya bibili na si Tessa. O gagamitin din niya. Pero good news, meron tayong mga ibibigay, di ba? Para sa press, vloggers, TV crew. Yan. Pero eto, ma-arte din itong babaeng ko. Pero mukhang gusto niya rin talaga i-try ang SCD. Ay, hindi ka Salve. O ma-arte yung ibang tuturo. Hindi, pero si Salve. Yan.
Hello. Aside from your pleasure, anong mga project mo ngayon?
Well, after Guilty Pleasure, we're gonna shoot a movie, actually next month na, that I'm producing naman. So, the moment na I complete na yung cast na lumipad dito, wow, I will hopefully get to invite you guys so that we can have, a discussion about the next project. But hindi ko pa siya pwede talaga i-divulge because I want to keep it muna until we start filming. But yeah, it's gonna be a film with Jero Otero, so abangan ninyo yan. And of course, I have another one that I'm gonna shoot dito soon with Richard Somes. Ito naman yung finally gagawin ko na yung action. So, dun excited na ako.
Okay, yan. Okay sa'yo sa amin. Ako hindi ka na-invited sa announcement. Out na kita doon. Pero eto, magtatanong si Miss Janice Navida.